are working on a project to restore greenland mussels in Aotearoa in the top of the South Island. After we put the mussels in, something that we do is we drop down on the mussel plots and via scuba.
New Zealand's largest aquaculture industry, greenland mussel, is dependent on wild spat at the moment, and without healthy wild reefs producing those offspring, then that industry just doesn't exist.
We're starting small. Mussel restoration is really in its infancy. Oyster restoration around the world has been going on for a lot longer, for example.
Can mussels reestablish on the seabed even though there has been so much dredging and overharvesting?
Because New Zealand has incredible coastlines. We have one of the longest coastlines in the world. And yet, it's slowly being degraded, so we need to catch that before it gets too late.